Everyone, step in your Ganska Strong weekly meal preparation and planning is very simple. It's an idea that comes from my favorite health resource and author, Robb Woilf. It's called the Food Matrix. You get to see my smiling face twice here. This is a one I just did. I just filled this out myself. So it's very simple. So the idea here is that something like a meal plan is only going to work in a very short, specific amount of time, because as soon as we get sick, as soon as work increases, or we have more kid stuff going on, like activities, sports, as soon as we're traveling and we can't do that meal plan that we've been trained on, everything falls apart. So it's much better to learn your optimal ratios than how to assemble your meals, because now you get a feeling for how much of each ingredient you have. And then when you're on the go traveling, you're going to be able to maintain this commitment year round. So you have different sections here. As you can see, proteins, vegetables, fats, any seasonings go in this column. I didn't fill that out, just keeping it simple right now. Fruits and starches. I did one more layer here, everything in red. As you see, these meats is stuff that we have not yet cooked. All these blues are frozen items. And then down here in this black section are all the ones that have already been cooked and are ready to go. Most of the fruits are ready to go. We got some frozen strawberries, got some frozen siete tortillas here. And then we got our fat options up here. Anything like sauce-wise that has a lot of fat in it, you're going to want to add into the fat section, because most of the calories are coming from fat. So it's going to be considered left serving of fat if you add like those types of sauces. Now, the last thing down here in the parentheses, I put like the number of pounds or the ounces that we have of each. So now I can go in and start planning out my meals. And then the last little wrinkle I'm going to put in here right after I shoot this video, I didn't do quite yet, is I'm going to look at the meats I've already made or the starches I've already made. I'm going to make a little indication as to which ones are the oldest that I made earlier. So then I know to prioritize those, so I eat those before they don't go bad. Down below, you're going to see the cliff notes of this food matrix process. And then I'm also going to attach the links if you want to dive in a little bit deeper and read what Robb has to say about it. There's some great write-ups. So I'll include 2 links from his website that gives you more details if this is something that you want to learn more about. All right. So that's your Ganska Strong secret for meal prepping for the week. Catch you on the next video. Make a great day.